Khasi Jaintia Deficit School Teachers Association kelak pelong ya kejing kenduk lang ban persya ya ke sarkar halor kejing bomla ban Pynkiew ya ke Dennis allowance nak benta ki Nonghikai deficit ke belak pelong hamada malki. Haba keren ha kejing lang ba Boswell Espala ubari presiden ula ther ya ke sarkar bakam simpat Pynkiew ya ke DA jang iwei pa iwei Nonghikai deficit bat ka KJ DSTA kelabu por haduk khatsan terik kelalan kot ajar penriu ya ke sarkar wan Pynkiew no ya ke DA. Ulong bai Nonghikai la mang bed san poi person andai haduk menta kadang ne sa supply person. Namar Nonghikai ki hap kerdan bat kinong tri sarkar. Penban haduk menta tang kinong tri sarkar ki kieu ya ke DA syaka san poi person. Hadin ke jinglang kinong kitkam kelalai hiar sya sekretariat ban kendo ban IT ya ke city syaka office trekam jong menteri rang ba ke jela.
Justice. We demand no DA, no rest. No DA, no rest. No DA, no rest. No DA, no rest.
And this rally is tremendous. May God grant both of you to move on, working for the welfare of and we'll wait.
Long live! 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 Long live!
Immediate and decisive action to enhance the DA of deficit teachers at par with government servants and release the areas of past DA enhancements from 43% to 51% without further delay. We regret to state that if this legitimate demand is not fulfilled on or before 15th January 2026, we shall be left with no alternative but to resort to democratic protests and agitations in order to safeguard our rights and dignity. By the 15th of January 2026, we further earnestly request your kind intervention on the following urgent matters. Number one, to expedite the complete implementation of the centralized provident fund system. Number two, to intervene for the immediate release of DCRG to retired deficit teachers. Number three, to ensure the Maxims portal is error-free now and in the future. Number four, to expedite the process of filling vacant deficit posts in various schools across the state. Number five, to ensure payment of winter allowance and other admissible allowances. Number six, to guarantee regular and timely payment of salaries to all deficit teachers. We sincerely hope that your esteemed office will treat this matter with the urgency and seriousness it deserves and take prompt action in the interest of justice, equity, and the welfare of deficit teachers. Thanking you in anticipation of a positive response, yours faithfully, signed by me, Boswell Espala, the President of KGDSTA, and signed by Madam Secretary, Ms. Barbara Lamin. So the ultimatum is, give us RDA, enhance RDA at par with government servants, and release the areas by what date?
Karali ka ba mengi penlong menta kesengi kadai bandawa nak sarkar ban aino yangi ya kani ka DA ke bangalet dai ban yo kibai kinong tre sarkar kila yo san phoi persen ngi kiba ngi dai ban yo kumba yo maki ngi dang sakut ha ka supply persen dan menta kesengi ni ai ka ultimatum ya sarkar ba hapo santarik jong January 2000 kideban enhance kidi e jongi at par with government servants but ban pelaj iki area jong kini ki enhancement ki baladap the khot ke bawan mentagasngi kidai ki the khot jong kai KJDSTA khasi jantia Deficit School Teachers Association kidai nakaleng nari boy na West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills, East Janti Hills, East Janti Hills, West Janti Hills, nang tabat na East Khasi Hills, all over Khasi Jantia.